Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You here, and today I'll show you how to get a neat bottom edge here when crocheting your first row on to the foundation chain. So normally this is just how it will look when I show you, but I want to show you how we would normally crochet into a foundation chain, which gives it a bit of a scrappy look. So I'm just going to use the half double crochet as an example. So normally we'd go into the top loop and crochet the stitch like that, and at the bottom, see how it leaves very big gaps and bobbles. Now if you want it to look neater than that, I suggest you just flip the foundation chain over and we'll crochet into that one back loop of the foundation chains. So let's say we're doing a half double crochet, whatever stitch, it doesn't matter. It's still going to be the same. Crochet into the one back loop of the foundation chain. So I'll do a couple and then I'll show you how it gives you a more professional and neater looking edge. See how I'm just going into that one loop at the back of the foundation chain stitches. So we've flipped it backwards, and see now you've got a nice neat edge with no gap. So I'll just give you another demonstration on the side so you really get it. So you're crocheting into that one loop of the chain stitch on the foundation chain, and it's the back loop. See, there's the V, that's the front. We're doing it onto the back side, and that way it's only displaying your V's on the edge there. So there's just a nicer way to do it.